What are its benefits? Just tell me, फॉरेस्ट लगाने से क्या होगा? फर्स्ट, डिफॉरेस्टेशन कम हो जाएगा, होगा? डिफॉरेस्टेशन विल रिड्यूस और नॉट? जस्ट इमेजिन एंड डू द ब्रेन स्टॉर्मिंग. ये क्वेश्चन मेंस में आएगा. ये सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री एंड डिस्कस इट्स इकोलॉजिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट्स. यस, व्हाट इज सोशल फॉरेस्ट्री एंड डिस्कस इट्स इकोलॉजिकल एंड इकोनॉमिक बेनिफिट्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू सम केस स्टडीज. तो आपको सम केस स्टडीज के साथ प्रोवाइड करेंगे क्या इसका, कैसे जगह पर इसका बेनिफिट भी हो रहा है. आई सेड दैट deforestation, reducing deforestation. Yes. And when the deforestation will reduce, then what will happen? Soil erosion will also reduce. Yes. Another. Soil fertility will also increase. Soil fertility will, I said that, increase. Correct. It will act as an what? Yesterday I have given an idea. It will act as a windbreaker, so that the wind cannot come fast into the any region and can do what is a sheet erosion and different kind of soil erosion. Wind जब move करेगा, then it can causes a different kind of what? Topsoil will be removed. So it reduces the speed. It acts as a what? Windbreaker. Yes. Help in recharging underground water. Help in recharging अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. पता ही आपको 10 लीटर में से एग्जांपल बार बार देता हूं मैं. 9 लीटर किधर चला जाएगा? अंडरस्टूड. एंड देन इट विल हेल्प इन, आई सेड दैट, क्या हेल्प करेगा? प्रोवाइड ऑर्गेनिक मैन्यूर. व्हाट इट विल प्रोवाइड? ऑर्गेनिक मैन्यूर. That is biomass. What it will provide? Biomass, organic manure. Yes. I said that if you do like organic manure and by the tree, the different kind of food products to, I said that rural, tribal and weaker section of society. Yes. It will provide fuel also. Yes. It will also provide what? Fuel. To the rural, tribal and weaker section of the society. Yes. Yes. It will provide, yes, employment to the people. It will provide employment to the people. Yes. It will provide shelter to the people. Yes. लकड़ियों से घर और नहीं बनाओगे? And it will not shelter to the people, it is shelter to the, what is the or different kind of what? Flora and different kind of fauna. Yes or not? इस पे different kind of what? Ecosystem will grow. Yes, ecosystem conservation. Can I say that climate at the local level will change? Microclimatic change. आसपास का स्मॉलर एरिया पे क्या होगा? वहां पे जाओगे तो you'll find little soothing, microclimatic change, and over the long period of time it will give us what is a macroclimatic. If it is this program continues, then it is causing microclimatic change to what? Macroclimatic change. Means for the, in which case I said that making the climate कैसा बना देगा? जो आज के डेट में क्लाइमेट चेंज इज टेकिंग प्लेस, वो हमारा क्या बना देगा? बेटर क्लाइमेट कंडीशन. यस, रिड्यूस द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, हेल्पिंग इन रिड्यूसिंग द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग, हेल्पिंग रिड्यूसिंग द ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस. सो क्या करेगा? इट विल एब्जॉर्ब द मोर एंड मोर ग्रीन कार्बन. So it is an ecosystem conservation, and then it will help in the changing macro. First it is a microclimate. Effect. It will provide what? Microclimatic effect. Yes. Water conservation लिखा मैंने. हाँ, अंडरग्राउंड वाटर लिखा? कहाँ लिखा? अच्छा, अंडरस्टूड. And further it will causes what I said, that reducing global warming by decreasing greenhouse gas. ग्रीन हाउस गैस को रिड्यूस करेगा. यस. So many things that can be done. So many things that can be done. It can provide us, yes, biochar. हमें क्या प्रोवाइड कर सकता है? लकड़ियों को जलाकर कोयले में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे हम. That will provide us what? Biochar. Yes, by burning it, it can provide us biogas. Yes, through this tree leaves and then organic waste, उसको हम लोग will do in the absence of oxygen, will do anaerobic decomposition, and they will help us to what is producing what? Gas. Understood? And then energy production. आपको पता है ना कि in our Kyoto Protocol, in the I said in the in the Paris Agreement, it has been said that biomass कितना increase करना है? It is equivalent to 10 gigawatt, and a small hydro project is how much? 5 gigawatt. So it is in a 175 gigawatt, means 1,75,000 megawatt electricity should be produced by renewable source of energy. इनमें से 1 lakh will be by the what? Solar energy, 75,000 by the wind energy, 60 by the wind energy, 10 by the biomass, and 5 by the small hydro projects. Understood? Say 1,75,000 को 2022 तक अचीव करना है. और अभी एक नया न्यूज में आया है, यू हैव हर्ड अबाउट दिस वन, that Quit India movement. And in the Quit India movement, the Modi ward has said to all the district collectors, there is what? Quit India movement. पहले तो do or die करेंगे या मरेंगे, या यहाँ पर क्या है? करेंगे और करके रहेंगे, करेंगे और means we'll set the goal and we'll accomplish it. We'll set the goal and we'll achieve and accomplish it. ये 5 सालों में बोला गया है 2017 to 2022. And this is also the same way. It is also we can be able to see like that. The government, the Modi Sarkar has also made an agreement in the Paris Agreement and they have ratified that we will accomplish it by 2022. और बहुत ज़्यादा chances है कि India government can nearby they can accomplish this much of amount of electricity. So 1,75,000. So energy production it will also help in the what is the जितने भी waste मिल रहे हैं मुझे उसको किस में convert करना है energy. So these are the I said that so many benefits are there and for the people those who are there it will provide medicinal help, biomedicine. Yes or not? It will also provide what? Biomedicine. With the help of those trees, we can be able to produce different kind of medicinal purposes and uses. Yes or not? And as much you can think how much it is helping it, so it is in a kind of great social change. Yes or not? And several social changes which has been, जैसे आपने सुना होगा कौन बचाओ आंदोलन स्टार्ट हुआ था? हाँ? नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन. पेड़ बचाओ आंदोलन कभी नहीं हुआ है. तो in Uttarakhand it has been done. Yes. And some other regions, some parts of the Kerala it is also have been done. Apiko. So I said that is and I said that we have to save, then we will be able to conserve it. Understood it? So there is an I said that social forestry. Got to know idea about this is social forestry. What are the elements of social forestry? Forest education, forest extension, knowledge, skill and attitude, and then forestry research. Understood it? So there are several और सभी पे आप एग्जाम्पल एक सेट करने की कोशिश करना. डिफॉरेस्टेशन रिड्यूस करके एंड देन डिफॉरेस्टेशन रिड्यूस करेंगे और वील प्लांट मोर ट्रीज इन द स्पेशली इन विच रीजन I said Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand that will reduce. I said that soil erosion and then flash flood kind of condition which has happened in the 2013 which has been in 2015 the flood in Jammu and Kashmir. Understood? So हम लोग plant करें वहाँ पर soil erosion it will also reduce. You know that when the soil erosion यदि आप ज़्यादा deep पढ़ेंगे the soil erosion causes I said that mud flow and debris flow and the slump. This is a kind of mass movement. And that becomes flash flood to be more havoc. Debris flow जो आपने देखा होगा उत्तराखंड flash flood में there is an इतने बड़े-बड़े पकड़े टुकड़े और it is also helping to there is a more what is a devastation down the river valley. Soil fertility if the I said that if will maintain और साथ में इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं it will also maintain the soil moisture. Not only soil fertility it will also maintain the what? Soil moisture. The soil fertility, if the trees are falling, leaves are falling, we have to plant only those trees which is supposed to be what is good for the environmentally. It will give the manure and when it will give the manure, it will maintain the what? Yes. और tree क्या करता है? Absorbs hydrocarbons, carbon dioxide and it will fix hydrocarbons in the what? Soil. Rice में क्या है? What is in the rice? Hydrocarbons. What is in the most of the produced grains? Hydrocarbons. Yes or not? The starch content is very high. And from where this soil will get? By the tree. From the soil. And the soil is getting by the what is in a tree. And tree is helping in fixing carbon dioxide into the what? Soil. So जितनी लगा सकें that much we should and do. Help in recharging underground water. Yes or not? Help in recharging underground water and at large scale it can do. एंड आई हैव सेड सो मेनी टाइम्स, अभी भी कल भी बोला मैंने कि 10 लीटर में से क्या होगा, इफ द ट्रीज आर देयर, if the trees are there, then the first it will fall on the leaves, then it will go on to the branches, then the stems, and then trunks, and slowly coming onto the soil. The soil has a capacity to absorb, one level of capacity. The slowly it can absorb. If suddenly the water is falling, it cannot absorb. So all the water will fall. If the forest is not there, all the water will fall and then flow down. कल बताया था ये सारी चीजें में. Otherwise it will lead to the soil, surface runoff. It will lead to what? All the water will be surface runoff and finally draining into ocean. For example, we have to say that organic manure, you know that organic manure is cheaper than, and I have said that to maintain the macroorganism क्या है बताया था कल मैंने, earthworm and then snails and all these are the macroorganism which is helping in the pedoturbation and helping in increasing organic nutrient. And microorganism, if I am doing organic farming, then they will do what is an organic waste and utilizing it, then these things will increase. Yes or not? These things organic डालेंगे तो ये, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने inorganic chemical fertilizer, by putting them, what happened, this organism has been, what is in a died and finished, and the ecosystem in the soil of macroorganism and microorganism has been finished. ये आपको पढ़ना भी है. जब मैं अभी land pollution in the environment, I will teach you land pollution, and that is a land pollution. It is in a kind of what? If you are putting a large amount of what is in a fertilizer, it is in a causing land pollution. So organic manure की वजह से क्या होगा? There will be maintaining the ecosystem of the soil will be preserved. Yes or not? Ecosystem of the soil will be conserved. Clear? और यहाँ पे कई points डाले मैंने. Employment to the people. At least it provides a people, what is I said that 150, a person can get in 150 day employment. If the social forestry will be at its best way, it can provide in how much? So out of 365 days, 150 days employment, and it is in a good kind of what is an income for them. Yes, so it is an economical upliftment of the people, and they can utilize this forest for them.